In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to shut down or turn off Windows 11 using keyboard only. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, let me open my on-screen keyboard to completely show you what exactly keys you are going to press on. Let me just go with the best matched and click on the open option here to proceed. Okay, so at the built-in keyboard or at the physical keyboard that you have, again, don't use the on-screen keyboard because I'm just showing you the key that you are going to press on. Okay, to avoid any confusion because you might press the wrong one. So at the physical or built-in keyboard that you are having, press Windows key, X key, and U key twice, and in that way you would be able to turn off or shut down your PC. Again, for the second time, Windows key, X key, and U key twice, as in twice, and in that way you would be able to turn off the PC. Okay, so let's press that Windows key, X key, and U key, and it will ask you to sign out here and press again U key, and in that way you will be able to turn off or shut down the PC. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.